Hello guys, Easy here. Welcome to my channel. This is my first unboxing video, and today I will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I will unbox it and give you my first impression. This is not a review. I would do another video for a full review, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and check for more quality review videos. So here we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I got this on pre-order. I've been waiting for this device. I got it on pre-order and I got the Samsung Galaxy Buds with it. When you pre-order, you get the Buds plus a free screen warranty worth 70,000 naira. If I break my screen before December 31st, I'm going to get it repaired for free. I will keep this aside. This is the Aura Black color variant. We are going to now unbox the device. Wow, look at that gorgeous screen. 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display. We have the SIM ejector tool. I guess this package contains the warranty card and every other thing that usually comes with new Samsung phones. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we have here the silicone case that comes with it. It's pretty strong. I think I'm going to be using this before I get any other casing. That's if this is not sufficient. We have the warranty card and the quick start guide, which we barely ever read. Let's keep all these things aside and let's see what else is inside this package. That's the how to transfer data. I don't think I'll need that. So let's take a look at the device. Well, everything is out. We have the Aura Black. You can see it's quite a mirror finish. If you're a lady, you don't need to carry a mirror with you for your makeup. Look at that screen, very beautiful. Let's see what else comes with it. That's the 25-watt super fast charger. There is a 45-watt charger which is only available from Samsung. This 25-watt charger charges the phone, so they say under maximum of 1 hour and 10 minutes. We'll put that to test. We also have the Akg Earphones that comes with Samsung flagship devices. Yep, that's the replacement rubbers if you ever have to use them. The Akg headphones sound really good, and that also reminds me this is type C, and if this is type C, that only means rest in peace to the headphone jack. No headphone jack, so sad to see it go. What else do we have? We have this is the data transfer cable if you want to transfer data from other device using a normal USB. And also we have the charging. Okay, no, that's not it. I think that's the S Pen tips. Okay, what else do we have here? The USB type C to type C cable for the charger. Let's keep all this junk aside and let's focus on the main device. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 6.8-inch Super AMOLED screen, Aura Black finishing. We have the Aura Glow and other color options, but I choose the Aura Black version. I love black. Oh, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a premium phone and pretty expensive too. One that deserves protection. You would have the silicone casing that comes with it in the box. I would like to protect this phone until I can get a different casing for it, although this would pretty much do the job. It's see-through, and I would use this for a while. Oh, that reminds me, that's no longer there, if you know what I mean. The power button, like who removes the power button from the right side of the phone? I am so used to turning on my phone from the right side. I believe the left-handed community will be very much happy with this change because it's now easier for them to reach the power key. This will take a lot of getting used to, but eventually we'll get used to it. Let's turn on the phone. The device is on, and here's the setup screen, which I would set up later. This is just an unboxing video. Stay tuned for my full review. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Peace.